Here I have Nubia Red Magic 5S, and today I'm going to show you how to enable custom watermark in camera on this device. So firstly, let's open camera, tap here, go to its settings. Here you have to enable Nubia watermark, and now you can add custom watermark, like you can add your name, your tag, or any other quote, and set it is your custom watermark, something like this. And now every photo you take will be marked with a custom watermark, just like this. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.